Hey everyone, so today I wanted to review the Jawbreaker palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics because I am in love with it and I want to tell you guys how much I love it. No, but in all honesty, I do really like this palette, spoiler alert. So my review, I'm going to talk about, how the shadows perform and all that sort of stuff. If I don't answer any questions of yours, just comment down below and I'll make sure to answer you. So first off, this is what the palette looks like. The packaging's gorgeous. I do wish that it was like the neon green, like the packaging of the mini breaker was. I would have loved that, but this is pink, it's Jeffree's color. I get it. And then when you open it, it's this beautiful, beautiful palette. Like, seriously, it's so beautiful. I am going to do a 3 looks 1 palette video using this, and I will also do one for the mini breaker palette, but it's just going to take some time since, there's so many shades, right? First thing that I want to say is that these are incredibly pigmented. I've never really had any issues about the pigmentation of Jeffree shadows. Usually they're pretty freaking good, but this one, holy crap, this is my favorite Jeffree Star palette to date. I love that there are pastel shades, but there's also like neon shades. They're all very pigmented and they blend beautifully. I haven't had any problems blending out any shades. They are buttery, pigmented, blendable, everything that you want in a shadow. These are it. The metallics, oh my god, they are so pigmented. The shimmers are shimmery. I just can't get over the formulas in here. He did so well formulating all of it. Like, Jeffree is our queen. My favorite shadows are FUCK and a Gumdrop. Those are like my ride or die colors. I absolutely adore them. I'll insert the look that I did using this palette when I first got it. I believe this retails for $65 US, which is a little bit pricey, but you get 28 shadows and they're big shadows, so I definitely think it is worth the price point. I also think that this is a palette if you like color. If you don't like color, obviously this isn't going to be for you as it's mainly color. If you're into more like sort of subtle shades with pops of color, then I would recommend Mini Breaker more, because Mini Breaker has like somewhat like has like this sort of like brown and like light tone and then like purples. So I mean, if you like purples, I'd recommend this, but if you're like me and you like everything, this is definitely for you. One thing that I really appreciate is that this is thin. It's not bulky. It's not bulky like Blue Blood or like Blood Sugar. This is thin and fits in my it fits with all my other palettes, so I really enjoy that it's thin. Same with Mini Breaker. They're about the same thinness, I think. So I love it. I do wish that the shade Bubblegum and Bite Me, those are repeats that come in the Mini Breaker, and I just kind of wish he would have just done different shadows in the Mini Breaker instead of having to overlap, because they're not shades that I think I'm going to go through. But maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. Do I think you need both of these? Not necessarily. I think that if you're an eyeshadow lover like me, you'll want both, especially if you like purples, then you're going to want this because it has the most beautiful shades. And honestly, if you love purple and duochrome, the shade Oral from the Mini Breaker is my holy grail shadow. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today, and honestly, like, I'm gonna get a backup of this palette before that shadow. Like, if Jeffree doesn't come out with a single ASAP, I am gonna get a backup of this. That's how much I love that one shade. Again, if you guys have any more questions, please just comment them down below and I'll get back to you ASAP. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review. I really do love this palette, and I'll definitely do more looks for you guys. If you guys have any suggestions for looks you'd like to see me do, comment down below. You can name like the shades, or you can just say, oh, I'd like an orange tone looked, or blah blah blah, that sort of thing, to give me an idea, because I would love to do as many looks as you guys want with this. I'm down. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.